Hello everyone, today I cook ube soup in spareribs broth. Very yummy. If you like to see how I cook it, please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. So I dug this up from my garden. Good thing about living in Florida where it's warm year round, I can grow this. And now I trim off the top and the bottom and the skins around. You notice that I cut a little bit thick. The purpose of this is I will regrow them with those. That's what I started. I purchased a piece of yam like this, and I came home, I cut off the end, the top, and the surrounding, and I sprout them, and they got sprouted, and I grow them in the soil. I planted them in the soil and I forgot about it. I don't ever fertilize anything, just once in a while water them. And a year passed. Now the leaves die down, and I know there are some yam underneath, so I dug them up. How great that is! Now after I clean the skin, I wash, and I will cut the slice from it. I use some slices and some I will mash them. Many ways to mash a yam. You can use your big cleaver and smash hard on it on the cutting board, or I use a meat mallet like this, and I mash them gently and efficiently. Or you can use a spoon. I figure that is stainless steel or aluminum spoon, and you scrape off the meat from the yam. The purpose here that I want my soup has two texture. One is still in slices and one in a mash. And a mash, you see they are sticky, and they will make very good dumpling. You can see in my hand now. I will drop them like that in the broth, you will see later. So that is done with the preparation. Now let's cook the soup. I have both spare ribs stock here ready. Normally people will cook this. My mother used to cook this with the shrimps. Very lovely. But I have a bone spare rib stock ready, so I use it. And I heat up to the boil, and now I dropped the slice it in first, and I got them cooked for a few minutes before I drop my mash in. You can see I scooped the mash so that it become like a meatballs, a buns. And I let it cook until I can see them floating. That means they cooked. And now I prepare the garnish. Green onion, Cuban and Vietnamese oregano, and rice paddy herbs. All those herbs very complement the soup very much. That was my mom did. So you don't need to cut thinly, just coarsely chop. And now to season the soup, I use salt, ground black pepper, and fish sauce. I don't use MSG in my food, but Asian people they use MSG or chicken powder or something like this. If you are, you can go ahead, add at this point, but I don't want any chemical in my food, so that's it. And because my broth from cooking pork spare rib, they is very flavorful and sweet, bone sweet. So I don't need any chemicals in. So after I tasted, after seasoning, I'm happy with that, so I sprinkle some of the garnishes, and that's it. I turn up the heat, and now I present my soup in a bowl. You can see the bubble jam they look beautiful. So I just arrange them a little bit, and I think I will sprinkle over it some of the fresh herb that I left behind, and that's it. You keep watching. We will eat soon. Thank you for coming by, stop by, and if you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos, and subscribe. Thank you very much. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.